Hello, this is me, Ella Cray, the kid of this video. And this is Nicole, the grown-up that paints for the grown-up.
That was a great intro. What about who's back there?
And Keenan.
We'll come say hi.
Go to him, say hi. He's the cameraman.
The cameraman, the guy with the plaid shirt, and the grown-up.
Yes, so today we are painting a beautiful flower field. Ella and I are going to teach you how to do this. So grab your paint brushes out. We're going to be using two different ones, but you can just use one of them if you have that. Then grab your watercolors. Let's see what colors. We're going to do swatches to show you what colors we're using.
With this big guy.
This big guy. Do you like this palette?
Yeah.
So we are using red. You want to do the blue one? Do the blue one. Yellow. Can you do a blue swatch on there for me?
Sure.
Oh yeah, gotta get that off. Clean our brushes. So we have red, yellow, and blue. Boom. So we are going to be using those three colors, and we're going to mix a few more colors, but start with that. Then the different steps that we're doing. There are 5 steps. First one is we're going to paint the blue background. Then we're going to add the flowers. Then we're going to use a straw. So if you have a straw, I would grab that as well. Then we're going to paint the green stems. Then we're going to add any fun creatures. You can draw anything. Okay. What's the first step?
Paint our back.
Yes. Good job. Let's do that. Okay, so Ella and I are going to use a wider brush. So we're going to dip in our water, and then we're going to go to our blue. So you're going to pick up some of the paint. Can you reach over you for a second? And then we're going to paint all the way across the top. So you can do this, and you can draw it and paint. Ooh, you have a lot of blue. That looks so pretty. So we're going to pick up some more if it runs out. So when you're doing this, just paint the top half of your page. So Ella and I are going to have blue right here at the top. Nice. Then what we're going to do is we're going to show you a trick. Is we're going to, once Ella's done with her blue, yeah, do a little bit more. Nice. And then we're going to add a light blue. So what we're going to do is we're going to wash off our brush, just get water, and then we're going to just use water. So we're blending it down. So can you see how it's becoming a lighter blue?
Oh, wow.
Nice. So we're going across the page. Ooh, we're going to the
looks
same.
like the sky.
Look.
Whoa, you guys are in step.
So it became a lighter blue. Yes, that is beautiful. Oh, you know what else we can teach them? So, Ella, do you see how you have those little drops? What if we go and grab some water and we make some clouds?
Yes.
So we're gonna add some water drops. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, Ella, you could do the whole flat of the brush and be like rectangle clouds. Cool.
Whoa. Yeah, so we added some clouds. We just used water.
Whoa.
That looks so good. Okay, next step is that we want to mix a few colors. So right now we have these 3 colors, but I think I want to have some orange flowers. So if you want to make orange, can we show them how to make orange?
So first we squirt 2 or 3 drops, it doesn't matter, of red or orange. Doesn't matter what order.
Oh, did it come out?
No.
So it's stuck?
It's jammed.
It's
The
jammed.
printer's jammed.
Maybe we can just use some of our red. How about we'll use that red, then add some yellow to that.
Then you put like 2 or 3 drops in the red.
Yeah, and then mix it up. Maybe we'll show them what color we get on here.
Okay, I'll mix that with my tiny brush.
So she mixed red and yellow. Boom!
Ooh, that's pretty.
Woohoo! To make orange.
Our big color in our
Little color.
I like that
Ooh,
color.
okay.
What the?
Now can we show them how to make green? Whoa,
I already made green.
you did kind of make green. So what colors are those? Can we make some on our palette to get us ready?
Yellow and green.
Clean your brush.
Yellow, and that's some blue.
So to make green, so we're gonna make green for our leaves. A little bit of yellow,
What's a squirt?
a squirt, and then a little bit
That little
of
squirt.
blue.
There's a drink called Squirt. It's like a grapefruit beverage.
Sometimes mice are like tiny squirts.
Yeah, little tiny.
Tiny little squirts. So what that makes.
Yeah, let's see what we got. Ooh.
What the?
That made like an emerald green.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I just learned the secret to all secrets.
That is so pretty.
Mm.
Okay, now I think we're ready. Or do you want to make another green? Do you like that
I
color?
like this one.
Okay, let's keep it there. What color do you want your flowers to be?
Orange.
Orange? So we're gonna do a few drops. So I'm gonna clean my brush off to switch colors. So we have orange and yellow.
Oh, shoot.
It's okay. Be a little bit. So what you're gonna do is the next step is you're gonna draw little dots. They can be any size. We're gonna add dots. So Ella already has some cool dots on hers. So we're gonna add
Not
dots.
really orange anymore. It's brown.
Let's make you more then. Yeah.
Hey, there can be rotten flowers and good flowers.
I think that they just have a cool tint to them. Maybe the sun is setting and it's dark outside.
Yep.
What do we need this for?
We're gonna use that right after. Don't know why mine is stuck. Do you mind, Keenan? See? Oh, there we go. Whoa.
Did you get it?
Oh, whoops.
Oh, whoops. Maybe we'll make some red flowers.
Because that one got a little bit too chaotic
Yeah.
to use.
So we're adding our drops. Is that better?
Uh-huh. Hey, there can be roses and
Ooh.
Yes! I love that.
All kinds of different flowers, different colors, different flowers.
So we're adding more. Then what we're gonna do, so you can have however many. Now let's use our straw whenever you're done. So you're gonna use it and you're just gonna blow. Woo! So you're making all the cool leaves and flowers and petals.
Nice.
that was a balloon.
If you want, what you can also do is you can add more color. Oh, or you get really close to it. Yeah, there you go. So if you want to add more, maybe I want a little bit more yellow. I love all your color. Okay. Now you ready to move on for the,
We're ready.
okay. Green. Next step is
Our emerald.
emerald green is we are going to draw
We
the
broke the
grass
diamond.
and our flowers. So we're going to pick up some green. So from the bottom, you can just draw lines coming up. However big, they can be really skinny blades of grass. Oh, look at the artist you are. So we're just drawing blades of grass from the
I'm
bottom.
just literally like winging it.
Wing it.
Winging it.
Just screw 'em.
Just planting them.
Just
Oh,
planting.
that's beautiful how it's going up from the top. Let me make more green
Hey,
for
there,
us.
you know those hot dogs on a stick?
Corn dogs.
No, hot dogs on a stick, the plant.
Oh,
That's a plant?
It's a plant.
yes, I do know what you're talking about. Stand by, I know the name of it. Cat's tail.
It's called cat's. This reminds me of cat's tail.
Totally.
Yes.
I call it hot dog on a stick.
Or do they have them here in Missouri?
Yeah, they do.
Oh, yeah.
I picked one before.
What? Will you show me next time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
They have them around, they're around your pond, Ella.
They are?
Yeah. I saw them when I went in your pond.
Bubba's drone.
Yep, had to save a drone.
Okay, so we're adding more flowers or grass.
I'm just coloring the blank spots in the grass.
Boom.
I like my grass too.
I love it. Okay, now we need to let it dry because we want to add and color on top of it. So we're gonna take a snack break, let yours dry, and then meet us back. We're back. our painting dried. Now we have crayons. Now go grab any kind of crayons or markers, and Ella and I are gonna just draw some creatures.
I'm Ella.
Yeah.
Oh,
Are you not Ella?
I think so.
You are Ella. So you can draw anything. I think I'm gonna draw a butterfly. So I have a butterfly here. You can draw a ladybug. What did Keenan suggest?
Mashed potatoes, a flying potato.
Flying potato.
So what you can do is on top of your flowers, maybe I'm gonna have a flying butterfly. Right there. Ella, what are you gonna draw?
Sometimes you could just say butterfly because they know you can.
That's true.
Butterflies can fly.
But maybe I can also draw a butterfly that's landing on here.
Ooh,
So it wasn't, actually that looks like a butterfly.
it totally does.
I'm thinking I'm gonna make that a
What
butterfly.
bug's blue? Oh, blue butterfly.
Ooh, yeah.
I have a pet blue butterfly.
Hey, Nicole.
You do?
Would
Yeah.
you be interested in leaning to the left,
Yes.
right? Excuse me. Sorry, right. Thank you.
So I turned this guy into a butterfly. Oh, that looks so cool. I like the blue. So you can keep drawing. You can see what does your imagination see? Do you see any other creatures? Do you see
Your
a grasshopper?
Your clouds look awesome too.
Oh, thank you.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize.
Yeah.
You can draw, if you have your grass, maybe you give some of your grass some petals, leaves. I'm drawing some leaves on my flowers. So I'm drawing a line.
Do leaves have petals?
Are
realized
leaves
flowers.
petals?
Are leaves?
Wait a second. Oh wait. No, a leaf.
Leaf has
A
leaves.
leaf is a leaf. A petal is a petal.
And a petal is a leaf, and a leaf is a petal.
There it is.
Got a little confused there. So I'm drawing some of that right there. Maybe you draw, if you have some of your cool sprays of your flower.
Spray.
Spray.
I love spray.
Let's see, some flowers have,
My mom has hairspray. I have bug spray. I have normal spray. I have more body spray. I have armpit spray. I have
oh,
Paint spray.
paint
Spray paint. Spray paint. Paint spray.
spray.
Oh.
Spray.
no! It's okay, I got another color.
It's the end of the world.
No, just the end of that color. I'm just drawing more.
It's the end for that poor color's life.
It's the end. So I'm gonna draw. So you can add one. Maybe I'll draw a little ladybug right here.
Hey, it's exactly like the original.
Yeah.
No, it does not.
Kinda. Just draw, let me draw it on the other side. What else can we draw? A grasshopper.
Yeah, grasshopper.
Who knows? what
Maybe
that
some
has
ants.
to
You could just do like the black crayon and do
Okay.
a long string of dots that look like ants.
Ooh, down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And maybe lean to the right.
Ooh, I can draw an
Yeah.
anthill.
Ooh, an anthill. Yeah. You could use the brown for an anthill.
I'm gonna be climbing up my leaf, my ants.
Oh, draw the ants coming up on top and around it.
Ooh, good idea.
Should my ants be a open butterfly? Just kidding.
They can be right next to it.
Maybe
I love your butterfly.
Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. I want to have a flying bumblebee. Some brown. Oops.
Maybe a bird.
stripes
Some
to it.
birds in the sky.
Let's do some birds. That's a great idea. So birds are really cool because if you're drawing them from far away, what you're going to do is you're going to draw a curve and a curve.
What?
Does that look like a
Yeah, it totally
flying-
looks like a bird flying away.
flying bird.
Yes. So we can just draw some flying birds in our sky. Boom.
This is like a marker, but not a marker.
Yeah.
It's
And you
like
got,
a cap. It's one giant marker with one giant cap.
that is true.
Amazing.
There is one cap.
One
Boom.
cap for one marker. And the
So creative.
other markers are a cap for the other markers.
Genius, right?
Genius.
Genius.
How do they come up with these things?
Oh no.
We should think of things like this. We'll talk later. We'll figure it out.
Self-cleaning glasses.
I love that idea.
I need that too.
I need that.
We both need. We all need them. We
I
all
wear,
have glasses.
I wear
Like wind
entirely
wipers
too many
for that.
glasses to not clean themselves.
Yes. Okay. How are we feeling?
Great.
Great. Okay, I think we're gonna want to end with our motto, like Keenan was saying. Oh, take it off, and then we'll end with our motto. How about that?
You ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
So we have some tape. We're just gonna take ours off.
Ooh, good line. Good line. That's so satisfying.
Boom. Yes. Can we show everyone what we made?
Bunch your tape together.
Okay, bunch it up.
I could use this. I'm gonna use this.
For what?
You'll see.
Okay. Okay. Can we show them what we did? And then. So exciting. Okay, now we'll end with a motto. So we have a motto that we do to say together. Do you want to do it or do you want me to?
Wait, where has our zine?
We don't have it this time. We have little pieces of paper.
Paper.
That works. Okay, we're going to do our motto. So raise your right hand and repeat after me. I am brave.
I'm brave.
I am kind.
I'm kind.
And I am creative.
And I am creative.
Let's do this. Boom!
I
So
didn't
now.
touch your hand. That wasn't a fist.
Okay, we'll do it again.
It's still wet.
Careful.
It's okay. Fist pump, and then we'll say bye.
Fist pump.
Boom. Okay. We like to say that so we remember that when we go out into the world, we are always brave, kind, and creative. And this is such a great project because you can go outside and paint whatever you see. So maybe you make another one. We have a Facebook group that Ellen and I and Keenan would love to see what you create.
Facebook.
And we will see you next time. Bye, everyone.